In today's video, it's time we put ChatGPT to the test if it can solve mathematical problems. We'll see how capable ChatGPT is through a series of math questions. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Here we are. I've come up a simple arithmetic problem alongside a square root formula right here in my prompt. Let's see if ChatGPT could solve this equation of 7 times 110 minus 740 minus the square root of 900. If you're wondering what the answer is, it's actually 0. But the important thing is, will ChatGPT get this right? We'll see. Well, as you can see, ChatGPT was spot on getting the answer. Not only that, it does show you the steps until it leads to 0 itself. Now, let's make it a bit challenging with an algebraic problem. ChatGPT has to find the x with 3x plus 5 equals 17. The answer to this equation is 4, but it all depends if ChatGPT would be able to find this exact number for x. Let's see. Well, color me impressed. It looks like it's smart enough to put the solution to more details. Remember, I just showed you the basic forms. But nonetheless, ChatGPT seems to know more its mathematic functions.